finally we've got our shipment from Lazada. So that's from Xiaomi brand day sale. And look what we've got here inside. So yes, I guess you've noticed that yellow logo. This is Pocophone by Xiaomi. And let's unbox this one. Finally guys, we received our shipment from Lazada. So this is the Pocophone by Xiaomi. So we've got this Pocophone from the Xiaomi brand day sale, which was held last September 6th. So let's see if the hype is worth all about. So it comes with a very cool, clean black box with yellow marks. So we have here Pocophone F1, and this is the global version that we have here. So let's check at the back side to see the specifications. So we can see here it's running on the latest and greatest Snapdragon 845. So it's on par with the latest and greatest smartphones out there. Another thing here is that this one that makes it unique is the liquid cooling system. So this one, it can handle any extensive games for long hours without getting hot. So let's check if Xiaomi claims is too good to be true. And we also have here this dual pixel autofocus system. So it's the same dual pixel technology from Samsung that we have currently on their latest Galaxy lineups. And it's a dual camera. Of course, it's 2018, so every phone should come with dual camera. And finally, I think this is the most important factor for me. It's the battery life. So it comes with a massive 4000 milliamp battery inside. So let's check this out and let's see if it's worth all the hype. So we're going to open our Xiaomi Pocophone F1. So let's start. Let's see if we can open this one. Yeah. And let's check. Whoa. This yellow in contrast with the black color is really nice, if you may ask me. It's so clean, it looks so natural in the eyes, and it's very nice looking box. So let's start. Let's try to open this one. So we are greeted with this pure yellow box with the leaflets. I believe it's inside this one. So let's see what's inside this leaflet. So we have here some manual, user manual. So I think no one's going to read that one anyway. So it comes with a free silicone case, yeah, and it's in a clear color. So you can see here it's clear color. So this is not a hard plastic case, but it comes free, so it's okay. And finally, the phone itself, Poco F1. So let's try to bring this out and just put it on side. And let's see what other else comes in the box. So we have here a charger, and let's see if this is quick charge. So yeah, it's quick charger. We have quick charge here. It's quick charge 3.0 if I'm correct. So it's a European plug. And we have here USB type C. So this comes with USB type C, which is very nice for a very affordable phone nowadays. Even some phones coming from other brands like Vivo and Oppo don't even have type C, and of course SIM ejector pin. And I think that's it. So let's go to the phone. So it comes with this very beautiful steel blue color. So these are the two colors currently available in the market, which is the 6GB, 64GB RAM, 64GB ROM, and 6GB RAM. So it comes with this steel blue, which is really nice. If I'm being honest, it's been a long time since I have this polycarbonate. So this is not you can tell it right away that it's not some kind of metal or fox metal or anything like that, but it's really nice. It's really solid in the hands. As you can see, it's very sturdy and it doesn't feel squeaky. It's like premium build, like those high-end big boys that we have there, like Samsung and LG. So let's peel this off. Oh, and it comes with this protection from the camera. As you can see there, it's Pocophone. So it's not yellow as on the same with the other colors on the black backs. So it's silver chrome. It's shiny. And we have here the dual camera with dual autofocus system and the fingerprint scanner together with the LED flash. And let's peel on the front and let's see this beautiful big display that we have here. So oh, that sound is really something. So let's have a tour on the external hardware. As you can see, it runs on a USB Type-C port, which is really nice to have, especially we are in 2018 and I applaud Xiaomi for having this USB Type-C, even its price very drastically low in comparison with other brands. And we have here the speaker grill, and this one is, I believe it's not a speaker grill, but it's the mic grill. And we have here SIM card slot. So let's check this out. What SIM is we are having here? Does it have this hybrid or it has a dedicated micro SD card slot? So let's try this out. And we're having a hard time getting this SIM card too. So finally we have this SIM card ejector pin, and we have to check what kind of SIM card configuration type that we have. It's really premium, guys, if you will ask me. I don't feel it. So this one is a hybrid SIM, so you can put either 2 SIM cards, or you can have at least 1 SIM card and an SD card slot, which is nice. It's really nice. I feel very happy holding this in hand. It's not slippery in comparison with others, and of course, as you can see here, we have this. I am not sure if this is a microphone or an infrared, just like any other Xiaomi phones. Most of them comes with this infrared sensor, and thankfully this is the one that I really like to see in all phones, and I hope that this trend of removing this 3.5mm headphone jack should really stop, because this is really nice, especially when you don't have any available headphones around with you, Bluetooth headphones, or they are all empty. So it's really nice to have. And look at this one. This is the power and lock key, and we have the volume up and down. So if you will ask me, they are very tactile and they are made of high quality plastics. They're plastics, of course, you can feel that they are plastic, but it's really well made. And up here is the 6.18 inches full HD plus 18.7 by 9 aspect ratio, so we're having an almost bezel-less display. And we have here is a 20 megapixel with pixel binning technology, so it can capture photo in 1.8 micron pixels, but it's not micron, it's really a pixel binning technology, so it comes with 0.9 micron pixels, but of course with the help of pixel binning technology you can have a better, brighter picture even at pitch dark nights. And I believe there is an IR sensor here for your facial unlocking. And we have, of course, the speaker grill. And these guys are one of the few phones that we have here that is having a dual stereo speaker setup. So one from the bottom and one from the top. And let's start. Let's check the screen and boot it up. So it says here, Pocophone by Xiaomi. So it's MIUI 9. So let me just set this up and get back to you guys in a moment. Let's choose Philippines because we are from Philippines, of course. Where's Philippines? Finally, Philippines. And let's connect to our Wi-Fi network. And we're back. So finally, after setting up this Xiaomi Pocophone, we'll now check this launcher. So it comes with this very unique, very clean and look like a stock launcher here. So the difference between other Xiaomi devices is that this one comes with an app drawer. So we have here this smart panel, smart bulletin, or I don't know what you call this one. But this one, what's important is that we have this um, app drawer here that is, as you can see, there is some categories that we have here up. So we have communication, entertainment, photography. So we can sort the applications easily. And let's check this out and we'll be back with our review. So hope you guys have a great time watching this video and have an information about this Xiaomi Pocophone. So I will be updating you on 1 week usage on how this Xiaomi Pocophone performs and how this mobile performs really well or no, or is it really worth the hype. So have a good day.